This demo highlights the key improvements to the LUSAS API, also known as LPI, introduced in version 23. In this latest version, you can now open Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, directly from within Modeler, making it easy to create and edit scripts in both Python and VBS. This can be done by selecting this command here, or by navigating to File, Script, LPI Editor. Once inside the LPI editor, a great place to start is by downloading the existing library of LPI scripts, available from the official LUSAS GitHub account. This repository can be easily accessed either through a quick Google search or by typing GitHub into the search bar on the LUSAS website. You'll find a wide range of scripts covering different programming languages, such as Grasshopper, Python, VBScript, and a wide range also of structural applications. Some handle simple tasks, such as creating new models, points, lines, surfaces, and so forth, and so on. While others generate full finite element models, such as a war and truss rail bridge, a braced pair of steel girders, a precast Super T beam bridge deck, a concrete culvert, a concrete cracking model of a simple frame, and so forth and so on. As an example, let's run one of these scripts. It uses Python as the main programming language. Compared to earlier versions, LUSAS version 23 now installs Python automatically during setup, so there's no need for any manual configuration. And because VS Code is now fully integrated within LUSAS, writing and editing code is simpler and more intuitive. Features like syntax highlighting and intelligent code suggestions make the entire process faster and more user-friendly. By clicking Run All, the notebook executes the complete script, including solving the analysis. Finally, because GitHub integrates Copilot, an AI-powered coding assistant, you can now use a large language model such as ChatGPT to request LPI commands in plain English. Copilot will then generate the corresponding code for you, something we'll explore in more details in a future video.